So we have our panels from Solar City.
Okay.
And it's a power purchase agreement. So that means they own the panels, they installed the panels. Like, we basically are a host for Solar City. And our benefit is we get about 60% of our power from the panels. We do pay them for that energy, but just at a lower rate than what we. So we save a little bit of money. It's not a ton of money, but we really wanted to have a more sustainable energy source for our lifestyle. Yeah.
How many panels do you have?
13.
13? Okay.
So there's 5 over here, and then there's 7 on this side of the house. I mean 8. Sorry, that doesn't add up to 13.
All right.
There's 8 on this side of the house.
And this side of the house is a different direction.
It is. So it's like south facing, southwest facing.
Okay.
And Solar City, you know, when we reached out to them about doing the power purchase agreement, and they came out and did like some tests to see, you know, would they be able to have enough panels in the right places to produce enough energy to be worthwhile.
Okay.
And they did.
Now, do you have battery backup or?
We don't. That's something that we're talking about. Yeah.
Okay.
The first night this went live, I was laid in bed thinking, what have I done? So at the time, I didn't have this garden in. It just looked like it had been plopped down on. It looked like an industrial complex that had been plopped down in my backyard.
Yes.
What's your opinion now? Is it still a mistake or not?
No. I love it. I absolutely love it. The payback will be probably 8 or 9 years, which is fine. When I sell the house, so they're starting to do studies with real estate, and almost everybody is happy to buy a house that has solar panels.
Are they?
Because they don't pay electricity bills.
And they didn't do the install.
They don't have to do the install. Now, is every potential owner going to be happy with this thing? I don't know, but I'll take my chances.
Whoa, 0.
Oh wait, I hit the. Oh great. Oh, you're gonna blow up! Yeah, cover your heads. 1300 watts right now is what I'm making. If the sky were clearer, and if there weren't pollen all over this, I'd be making about 3,000 watts right now. And I'm using in my house probably about 200. So I'm pushing a lot of power out into the grid right now.
How often do you wash the panels? When it rains?
When it rains, yeah. Right now, in my house, I'm using 152 watts, okay? That's my real-time production. I am making real-time 1,220 watts. How close is that, Ed?
1314 right now,
Okay.
1336.
So a little bit of a lag. So I'm making 1,200. I'm using 152. I hit the wrong button again.